Guys, have a good day everyone, and today I will show you how to make a paplu here in Oman. I will show you we use this tomato and onion and lemon juice, fresh tuna and coriander with the green chili, and also we have corn flour, a little bit of oil and turmeric. And first of all, you need to make boiled water first before this is the turmeric already. Boiled water. First, we need to put little bit of oil, and we put onion. Chicken, we need to put the tomato. Mix very well and leave 3 minutes over. Then we need to put boiled water. Mix and then cover for 2 minutes. See, the water is boiling. Put turmeric, not too much, become little bit of yellow, and mix. And you see there is foam bubbles. You need to take out the bubbles, foam bubbles. No? You need to take out this. This is oil. Take out then and throw until the foam bubbles is gone. And then we need to put the fish, no? One by one. And last, cover it. Cover. And now we put corn flour. It depends if there is sticky or no. Mix this one. But maybe we need to put again, because when we put the oil, the lemon, okay, take out again the bubbles, because it's not good. And we put the green chili, and also we put salt. Mix there, mix. Looks delicious. And now we put the lemon juice. And now look, there is foam bubbles again. We need to remove this one. Why I remove this one? Because this is oil. You remember we use a little bit of oil like this. That's why we need to take out this one. And now, but last but not the least, we need to put coriander for the finale. And close the fire. Well done. And now we're done. We need to transfer. Look, so delicious. Look guys, so delicious. Thank you for watching and goodbye. I started.